Today I wanted to show you a Polaroid Onestep Plus camera. I will be doing another video talking about all the features of this camera, and I will go through all the parts and everything. It is loaded with film right now, and what I want to go through right now is a quick test and to show you how it works of one of the really cool features called light painting. What I want to do is put the camera aimed on a box or some sort of figurine, and I'm going to paint it with light, and then I will shoot the picture and we'll both take a look at it. Now be aware the film I'm using is a rather older version. It is expired of the Impossible project, and it's an older roll of film. I am going to buy some more film tomorrow, but I'm curious to see how well it comes out, and I'm going to also show you what the screen shows on the phone while all that is happening. So let's take a look at this camera, and I just want to show you this. This is basically what the film packs look like, and this is called an I-type. It's from the Impossible. What is it? The Impossible project. It says Impossible over here on the corner. It says Impossible. And the difference between the I-type and like the 600, the other type, which I'm gonna get some 600. We'll try it tomorrow. There's a battery that goes on here, and this camera, just so you know, has the ability to use I-type or the other type of film that has the battery. It has the ability to take both types of film. So we're gonna try it with the I-type, like what's on here. This is basically the type of film, what it is. This is an empty one. I purchased a lot of black and white and some color, but be aware they are expired. The black and whites didn't come out too well. I'm going to get a pack of black and white and color tomorrow and give it a try and see how it looks. So we're going to try that. We're going to test that, and we're going to practice, and you can see what happens when you do some light painting. So let's give that a shot. Okay, so what we will first do is put the camera on top of a tripod. So there's the Polaroid camera, and it is going to be on top of a small little tripod that I've got on there. So that keeps the camera steady. You can also use a brick wall if you're outdoors or anything like that. So we're gonna put it on a stand, and let's see what it does. This, as you can see, is a picture of the viewfinder, and that's what the viewfinder looks like when I'm aiming at the camera. This is the portrait setting. As you can see, the distance 1 to 3 feet, 0.3 to 0.9 meters. So let's actually paint the picture. Actually, we're going to do something ironic. We're going to do picture painting of a Lubitel 166B camera. Let's try shooting a picture of that and seeing what that does. So I'm going to paint that with some light. Okay, so the first thing we do is actually turn on our camera. We turn it on, okay, and you'll see the green light go on. Okay, it's flashing. It's probably charging up the flash, and okay, the green light's on. It's charging up the flash. And the other thing you'll notice at the top tells you the amount of pictures we have on the roll. Okay, so you're looking at 5 that we have left, and we get 8 on a roll. And as you can see, I'm on portrait mode. And portrait mode has a range 2 to 3 feet. I'll list what the range is on the video. So you can see we have portrait, and then we have the infinity mode. Okay, now the program is now running. As you can see, it's now in light painting, and what I'm going to do is turn on the program, and you're going to see me paint the Lubitel camera. I'm going to do it for a couple seconds, and let's try light painting. Okay, the shutter is now open. Okay, and I'm going to paint the Lubitel. So let's paint it. There we go. We'll paint it a little bit, and let's see what it does. There, I painted the strap. Now I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and now the picture is ejecting. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so now the picture has ejected. So now you normally leave it in its little container, and you pull it out and you put it face down on top of the basically so no light gets onto the picture. So I'm going to put it face down, and then we'll take a look at it when it's developed. We'll see what it looks like. And there is the picture placed face down. So that's facing face down for a while. So we'll take a look at it when it develops. Okay, so I faced it down for a little while. Let's put the picture up and let's see what it does. I'm going to leave it up there, and let's see if we can watch it develop. And let's see what it does. Now remember, this is older film, so we can do it again and probably leave it open for a little bit longer. I did it for a couple seconds. Let's see what it does. Let's see how it develops. The cool thing, as you can see, which is really cool, the camera came out. You can see how it came out. It's starting to appear. Let me zoom it in a little more. See if it'll still focus in. Yeah, let's watch it develop. See what it does. Yeah, there we go. I can bring it back a bit. There. So you can watch it develop. So it looks like with light painting, it does, it opens the shutter and everything, but it looks like, it looks like it's starting to come out a little bit more. And you have to just experiment with it. You have to see how long to leave the light on there and try different things. But let's just let it develop and see what happens. You're probably not supposed to expose it to the light, but it's older film. Let's see what it does. There's going to be a lot of experimenting with this. This is a lot of fun. So let's see what it does. Okay, as you can see, you're starting to see some definition of the camera. It's getting a little bit more well defined. You can start to see that happen as it develops. So you can see basically what the picture looks like. It looks good. So I will scan that and put that on the video so you can take a look at it. I'll see how well it scans too. So we'll give that a try. Thanks again and great watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments if you have any questions, because I'm going to do different types of light painting, different experiments with the camera. So I'll keep you posted with that. Definitely hit the bell so you can stay posted with other videos I will be putting up. You'll get the alerts. Thanks, and definitely leave a comment. So if you have any more questions, definitely leave me a comment and I will answer all the comments. Thanks again. Have fun.